Hey, back in 2017, me and my friend, wait for it, Mantas, we decided to travel to Central America for 2 weeks and mostly explore Nicaragua. Our plane landed in northern part of Costa Rica, where our adventure began. I'm a self-proclaimed expert, by the way, in procrastination, so I'm editing this video like 5 years later, thus I don't really remember many details. Nevertheless, I did my best to trace back our route and the places that we had visited for those of you who plan to actually visit Nicaragua. If you got questions, just leave a comment below and I will get back to you. Oh, and by the way, subscribe to the channel because I've got plenty of travel material just sitting there waiting to see the daylight. Let's go!
So we're walking in the tropical Amazon forest in Costa Rica and we're going towards...
Not really Amazon.
Huh?
Not really Amazon.
Okay, not Amazon. We're going to the waterfall, so it will take us 2 hours to go to the waterfall and come back, and then we're gonna hit the other route. Just arrived at the customs just by the border of Nicaragua. Apparently this tree is a bus stop. We just met a local lady who said that we have to wait for a bus. That's the tree. Hola amigos. Hola amigos.
Sé que los sandinistas están matando a mucha gente. Con la maldita cuetera y mortero 120. Yo sé que los sandinistas están matando a mucha gente. La maldita cuetera y mortero 120. Dicen que no les importa que mueran los campesinos para seguir apoyando a los rusos asesinos. Dicen que no les importa que mueran los campesinos para seguir apoyando a los rusos asesinos. El pueblo no tiene culpa de morir como el pescado. Que lo llevan al mercado y luego lo traen enlatado. El pueblo no tiene culpa de morir como el pescado. Que lo llevan al mercado y luego lo traen enlatado. Yo lucho por nuestra patria porque soy comando fiel.
Lituania. Amigos.
¿Amigos qué?
Sí.
¿Estudian?
sí.
Estudiantes trabajando también.
Sí, pero ¿qué estudian?
Ah,
¿Qué estudian? ¿Naturaleza?
no,
¿Psicología
salud,
o
salud,
biología?
salud y ejercicio.
Sí, pero el cubano, ¿cuántos años tienes tú?
¿Ah?
¿Cuántos años tienes tú? ¿Cuántos años tienes?
24 y 26.
Correcto. 60 años. Y miras, todo buenas piernas, cosas siempre es natural. Viene por todo. 60
Bien,
años.
amigo.
Puedes darle la vuelta. ¿Ya? Y mañana puedes hacer aquí. Santa Cruz, Santo Domingo, Ojo de
Sí,
Agua,
mañana.
Ya, Gracia
Y-
y Luz de su María. Y hoy, digamos, a la cascada para suave,
Sí.
descansar, ir a la cascada, tranquilo.
Take the nuclear. Ah, Rica angeschiet. Rica angeschiet is das.
Okay.
Hola. Today we're gonna just go around the island and probably hit volcano as well, and then we'll see what's gonna happen. Pretty much. Right, Mantasa.
Yeah, man. So we're waiting for some dirt bikes now, and that's gonna be awesome and also quite scary because I've never done a motorcycle before. So
Me neither.
see what happens.
Shit might happen. All right.
I hope the guy teaches us.
There's not much to teach. Ne? Ursisakel?
Down.
Clutch down. No, varık sen spaus газа. So we've got our motorcycles and we're hitting the road around the island of Ometepe. Here's our Yamahas. Got our Yamahas 125 and 150. Beautiful bikes and more incredible view of that volcano. How is it called? Concepción, bruh. Concepcionito. across the jungle.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Es fácil.
Bien.
Muy bien. Correcto.
So we're going around the smaller volcano, which is named Maderas, and yeah, we only got like 2 hours left for our motorcycles. So yeah, hope we're gonna make it around it.
And we actually did, but soon after recording this video, a kid jumped in front of me and I used the front brake. I know what happens when you use the front brake. I flew over the wheel and I hit my head and the shoulder onto the road. So I still got a scar to this day on the shoulder, which was a pain in the ass carrying that big backpack for the rest of the trip. Also, the bike dealers, they ripped me off and asked for $250 for a couple of scratches, or else they wouldn't have given me my passport back. So never leave your passport, and always be careful when driving a motorcycle.
Feliz Semana Santa al original. Señora, si quiere contratar al rey que sigamos para Semana Santa, después no diga, ¡ay, no vayamos! ¡Ay!
We're in Paradiso Hostel, check it out.
Germany.
Yeah.
Oh, hey, so many Germans here.
Yeah. We're from Germany as well.
Ah, really?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
We're from Lithuania.
What?
Lithuania?
Litauen.
Yeah.
Lithuania. Where is that?
Used to be part of Germany actually. Yeah. We used to be German, you know.
Ah! Okay, nice. Litauen. No.
Yeah. Listen to this one. Not sure what that is, but there's many massive bee nests all over the place. We're going around the Mombacho volcano. Mombacho means steep mountain. blog or some shit.
Oh, nice.
So I'm thinking like to do.
You already have the address?
Yeah, Rockcast Trips.
Rock ass trips.
Because my name is Rockus.
Ah, okay.